We're gonna check out this thing right here. It's called the DustBuster. So what is, oh, so it's got its own charge plate, which you got plugged into the, where do you get it plugged in at? It's not even plugged in.
No. Lexi must have unplugged it.
Oh shit.
Right here.
That's not gonna work. Or at least it's got some charge in it. Here.
I got it.
Okay, there you go. All right, so now explain how this thing works.
It is
Looks like it's a 16
like
volt.
a mini little vacuum.
Okay. You're kind of walking out of frame here.
Oh,
All right,
sorry.
go ahead. All right, let's do it.
Turn that switch on.
Wait, show me that. This is the on switch. Go ahead. All right, check up some stuff. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I gotta see it. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it off for a second. Now you're going to town.
Well, when you got a navy blue sofa, you have to use it.
All right, that looks pretty good.
Considering it was just
All right.
vacked.
So explain,
Friday.
what is that right there?
That's the filter.
Oh, so that's how you get that off?
You take it off.
All right, so how do you clean it?
So it's charging the base.
So you're just gonna leave that on there for now.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go in here and clean this filter. Oh, there we go. All right, so how do we do that? You gotta, what do? You pull that out of there? Well, that's it. And then just dump it?
Yep.
Oh, something fell out of there.
Yeah. Crud.
Oh, right there, what's that?
It's a coffee pod.
Okay, that's not part of the thing.
No. It's
All right,
not.
I don't know, I'm just checking. All right, so how do you put it now? What do you do with it? Do you
brush
wash
it
it off?
No.
Okay. All right, so let's see how you put it back in there. Now that's a BLACK+DECKER, right? Is that the name of it? Think of your hands over the name of it.
Oh, yes.
BLACK+DECKER. Okay, go ahead and stick that back in there. So that's how you clean it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we got to put it back on the thing. Let's go, Wolverines. Come on, you're going to become a star.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, you can mail me my residual check.
All right, let's see if you can get it on right. All right, so it goes on. It just pops in.
Yep.
Okay, so what's all this other stuff on here? Let me see. What does this thing do?
That is just
Oh.
clean it out that
Oh,
way.
you could do it that way.
Yeah, but
All
this
right.
way you clean out the
And,
full
and
filter.
what's this thing here? What's a little like broom thing?
Yeah, because this, I can't remember how
What's that?
this...
It's got a lock on it. What's this thing? It's like a lock right here. So you gotta pull it.
Don't break it. Don't break it. It goes in.
Oh, it goes in. Like that. And then this goes
You've
there.
got the brush.
Oh, okay. So that goes down, that comes out. All right, now to do that again, you push it and you push it in.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
And,
And pop the brush out.
brush
Okay.
comes out.
Now what else is on this thing?
That's it.
What? So that released it. That's the power thing. Is it just got one power?
Yep.
That's it? All right. So that's the BLACK+DECKER DustBuster.
Mm-hmm. It just sits there and charges itself.
All right, here she is, the queen of the
Clean.
of the dustbusters
Queen of
and
clean.
thistles. All right, let's go see what we